Hi friends, welcome in my YouTube चैनल। मैंने बेसिक साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग का मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप क्वेश्चन किरण पब्लिकेशन का इस बुक से सॉल्व किया है और मैं ये चीज़ आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। होप यू लाइक माय वीडियो। लेट्स स्टार्ट। हाउ मेनी बटन्स विल बी देयर फॉर ड्राइंग बोर्ड? देयर आर टू बटन्स। The part that does not belong to T square is इबोनी एज रहता है ड्राइंग बोर्ड पे। The angle which cannot make using a single set square. The answer will be 75 degree because 75 degree is not a multiple of 15 degree. The angle which we cannot using both the set square is 125 degree. 125 is not a multiple of 15 degree. Question number 5. Small bow compass can draw circle less than 25 mm radius. Line contained by a plane perpendicular to both the reference plane will lie on the profile plane. Which of the following instrument is made of thin strips of wood arranged in a line to form a rectangle on which the drawing is made? Drawing board. Which of the following tools is used to draw horizontal line? Very easy question. T-square. Which of the following instrument can be used to draw accurate perpendicular lines? This answer will be mini drafter. 2. Question number 10. According to Indian Standard Institute, which among the following designation has the size 1000 into 700 mm? It is double elephant drawing board. The answer will be D. The preferred size of the drawing sheets is recommended by BIS. The full form of BIS is Bureau of Indian Standards. Next question. The untrimmed size for sheet 240 mm cross 330, it is A4 sheet, and the trim size is 210 cross 297. Next question. SP 46203 recommends the borders of dash mm width for sheet A0. This will be the answer is A. 20 mm border for A0 and 10 mm border for A2, A3, A4 and A5. The false statement regarding orientation mark. The answer will be B, because we know that orientation mark specified particularly for reproduction purpose. The size of the title bar, misprinting here, 15. Answer will be 185 cross 65 mm. Medium thickness line group of 2 mm are not used for dimension line because dimension line are thin. Initial work and construction lines are drawn using H pencil. The line given below is for long break, cutting plane, central line, outlines of adjacent part. The answer will be long break line. In engineering drawing, which type of line indicates that there is a change of plane? Continuous thick line. Which of the following lines are used to show that the object is cut and then view? Hatching lines. Which are the two system of placing dimension? Align system and unidirectional system. Answer will be 21D. In unidirectional system, the dimensions are placed by breaking the dimension line in the middle. Match the following. Answer will be 4, because one option it is oblique stroke, 2 option open 90 degree. 3 option, it is closed and filled. 4 option, it is closed. Which of the following dimension is according to the aligned system of dimensioning? Answer will be 40. In dimensioning, the lines enclosing the dimension line, extension line, the ratio of height and length of the arrowhead 1:3. Dimension does not represent material. Type of material is not represented by dimension line. Dimension. The wrongly represented line in below figure. Outline. Outline are thick line, thick continuous line. Which of the following type of dimensioning the dimensions are arranged only in a straight line? 29. Chain dimension. 30. A line which is parallel to vertical plane and making an angle of 50 degree with horizontal has a length of 5 cm from side view. What is its true length? So this question is quite difficult. मान लीजिए ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है और ये एक लाइन है जिसका लेंथ है 5 सेंटीमीटर और ये हॉरिजॉन्टल के साथ 50 डिग्री पे है. सो इसका जो ये साइड व्यू है मान लीजिए ये एक्स है. सो इफ वी साइन 50 degree equal to x by L. L length given is L is a true length जो कि हमको साइड व्यू में दिखता है. This answer will be 6.52 centimeter. The advised position of placement of dimension should be outside the view. This question is wrong. If there is need for center line, then it can be used as a extension line. How is tapped hole is diameter 10 mm and 20 mm dimensioned represent M10 deep 20 34A. Extension lines should start from which part of the drawing? Outlines of the view. 4. The wrong statement about leader line. The leader line is drawn vertical or horizontal or curved. The leader line is never be a curved line. Identify A in the given figure. It is center line. B. The engineering drawing, which type of arrowhead is used? Closed and filled type. What is the name of the thin continuous line which encloses the dimension lines? Extension line will be answer. Which of the lines is a thin continuous line with the ends terminating in arrowheads and is enclosed by extension line, outlines or center line? Dimension line. Representative fraction is the ratio of length in drawing to the actual length. The scale of drawing is given 1:20. What is the representative factor? 1/20. What is the representative factor of a line whose length is 24 cm on the drawing sheet representing an actual length of 6 meter? The answer will be 1:25. A line of 10 cm is drawn on a drawing sheet. It represents an actual length 25 cm. What is the representative factor? Same question. Answer will be 4:1. What is the representative factor if the sides of square measuring 4 cm in the drawing sheet? The answer will be C, 1:75. What is the type of scale in which the representative factor is 1:1? It is full scale. Question number 47. Which of the following representative factor depicts an enlarged scale? 1:0.2. If you multiply 5 in both sides, then you get the value 5:1, which represent an enlarged scale. Next question 48. Which of the following scales is a reducing scale? 48b. Which of the following is not an enlarging scale? 3:5. It is reducing scale. Which of the following scale is used in survey maps? Graphic scale. Question number 51. Why it is more beneficial to represent the scale graphically other than just numerical? Answer will be B, more accurate. What is not essential information to construct a scale from the following? Length of scale. Scale having some representative fraction but graduated to read different units are comparative scale. The scale used in micrometer is circular vernier scale. Option D. Question number 55. The scale used to find angle. Scale of chords. A scale is 1:25 is to be constructed to show centimeters and it should be long enough to measure 10 meters. What is length of the scale? Answer will be 40 centimeters. 57. Question number 57. From the following figure, what is the maximum length? You can calculate the maximum length in decimeter. There is 11 decimeter and 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, that means 1 decimeter. So the correct answer will be 12 decimeter. What is the length of the figure? Question number 57. If representative factor 1/5, answer will be 24 centimeter. The diagonal. Question number 59. The diagonal scales are used when measurements are required in 3 units. Example as meter, decimeter, centimeter. Question number 60. The diagonal scale is to be made with meter, decimeter and centimeter. Then how many divisions it has to be made vertically? Answer will be A, because 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter. Question number 61. The diagonal scale is to be made with yard, feet and inch. Same as question number 60. Answer will be 12, because we know 12 inch equal to 1 feet. Question number 62. Which of the following scale is used when there are 3 units that need to be measured? Diagonal scale. Which of the following scale is used to accurately measure minute division? Answer will be diagonal scale. Question number 64. What is the length of AB in the following scale? The answer is wrong. The answer is given wrong. The answer will be 2.54. If you consciously see the image, you measure the line AB 2 meter, 5 decimeter and 4 centimeter. That means 2.54 meter. Question number 65. What is the maximum length of the scale given in question number 64? 4 meter. Question number 66. If the given scale is 1:60, what is the length of the scale? 6.67 meter. Next question. From the given scale below, what is the length of PQ? Answer will be 3 yard, 1 feet and 10 inch. This scale represents inch, this scale represents feet, and total this scale is represent yard. Question number 68. Given are the steps to draw a perpendicular to a line at a point within the line when the point is near the center of line. Arrange the steps. Let AB be the line and P be the point in it. The answer will be 1, 4, 2, 3. That means P as center, take convenient radius R1 and draw across on the two sides of P on line at CD. Then form CD as a center, take R2 radius greater than R1, draw arcs which cut at E, and then join E and P. The line EP is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular cannot draw using pro-circle. Pro-circle is a equipment where ready-made circle are drawn and you can make different diameter circle using pro-circle equipment. Question number 70. Using how many methods can you draw perpendicular lines through a point within a line? Answer will be C. Three methods. Question number 71. How many ways we can draw parallel lines to an existing line? 2 methods. While drawing perpendicular line through a point which is nearer to the middle of given line, dash is cut at 2 points of the line. Answer will be an arc. In the given figure, which of the following construction line is drawn first? Arc DPC. Question number 74. For drawing parallel lines to a given line through a given point, we make use of arcs. Which of the following arcs is made first to draw a parallel line to the given line PQ? Arc C. Question number 76. A ogee curve is a continuous double curve with convex and concave. We use ogee curve to join two parallel lines. This one is ogee curve. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in regular hexagon? 3 pairs. Because we know the regular hexagon has 6 sides. Here this side and these sides are parallel, these sides and these sides are parallel, these sides and these sides are parallel. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in regular pentagon? In regular pentagon there are 0 parallel lines. What is the shape with n number of sides in which all the sides are equal? It is a regular polygon. What is a curve with two same curve in which one curve is a reverse of other curve? Ogee curve. How many internal tangents are there for two circles? 2 internal tangent. Next question. The line perpendicular to a tangent and is passing through the point of contact is called normal. In the following figure, the tangent at point A can be drawn perpendicular bisector, where from figure we see OA equal to OB. How many tangents can be drawn from a point outside a given circle? 2 tangents. 2 tangent. The view which gives the actual length of line in profile plane is side view. Which of the following constructions does not use elliptical curve? Cooling tower. Cooling tower is hyperbolic curve. The generating circle will be inside the directing circle for hypocycloid. Option D. Which of the following represents an Archimedean spiral? Mosquito coil. You all see mosquito coil looks like this, and this is Archimedean spiral. Question number 89. Match the following. The answer will be D. The sections cut by the plane on a right circular cone are called as conic section. Next question. Question number 91. Which of the following is a conic section? Conic section is a circle. If the distance from a fixed straight line 5 mm and the distance from a fixed point 14 mm, then what is the value of eccentricity? 14 divided by 5, 2.8. Next question. Question number 93. The difference between two consecutive crest root of a screw is called pitch. The number of revolutions are 10 and the pitch is 2 mm. Find the length of spring. We know length of spring L equal to P into N, where P is pitch and N is number of revolution. So the correct answer will be 12.5. Mean diameter of coil is given as 100 mm and diameter of wire is 5 mm. Spring index. Spring index we know D capital D by small d. The answer will be D. Question number 97. Outer diameter is 95 mm and inner diameter is 80 mm. Mean diameter is, the average will be the answer. So the correct answer will be B, 91.5 mm. These two questions are wrong. Next question. Question number 100. Pitch of helix is 7 mm and number of revolution is 15. Length of spiral 105 mm. That means 10.5 centimeter. Correct answer will be B.